Well, what have we here?
Something
My
that
hands?
looks tasty.
My hands? Oh.
Hi, Mimi.
Is Mom taping you? Oh my gosh, I bet she is. Oh, you want to grab on? Oh. Let's do our standing thing. Let's do our standing thing. Oh, yeah, that's just a little drool. I will eat you, hand. Oh, this is much bigger than my hand. Boo! Boo! You want to do a little walking? It's not really a flat surface.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh. Taking a little breather. Are you working on something? Wow! 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 Guy, come here!
Got the drool.
Oh, you get me, Dad. I'll get you. Oh, I found something. I found my hand. I found my hand. Oh, how I've missed you, hand. Oh. What? Huh? Ah. What's out there? Are there any cars? Oh, hi, cars. Whoa, there they go. You're not looking. Oh, hi, cars. Oh.
Neighborhood watch right there.
Yeah.
You slow down. Your car stereo's too loud.
Turn it down, punk. Nice dual exhaust. I'll give you dual exhaust. Come check my diaper.
Alright, Ryder. You need to go sleep. It's time to go night-night.
You gotta rest up for your big ski swap. Yeah. Time to go buy some skis.